it's Indira from Indie Arts Creations. Thank you for joining me. If you watched yesterday, I had mentioned that today is a special day in our family, and it's actually my son's birthday. So happy birthday, Warren. And so I had asked him kind of what kind of colors he liked, and he sent me almost like a paint card that has the different colors and they vary in shades. And so they were kind of like different shades of teal leading to the darker teal. So those are the colors that I'm going to use. And the technique I'm going to use, I'm always kind of wondering what technique. I'm going to use the blow dryer. And I don't use the blow dryer much. But that's the technique I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do is we're going to have a white negative space, and then I'm just going to pour the colors onto the canvas and then just blow dry and see what we get. And to contrast the teals, I have like a mustardy gold yellowish color. But it's called gold, but there's so many different shades of gold. So yeah. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to see how this comes out. So I thought to get the paint on the canvas, yikes, we definitely don't want it to go up higher. So I'm going to pour a little more. Sorry about the blow dryer noise. That's just the nature of using a blow dryer. I see we have tons of air bubbles. So with this type of painting, you really want your negative paint or your negative space to be thin. You want all of the paints to be thin with this type of technique because you kind of want them to blow with the blow dryer. So me saying that, I'm just going to put a little more water in. I'm kind of excited about these colors. So I'm not going to do it in any kind of order. I'm just going to try to just take them and... Because I'm not trying to, it's not like I'm trying to do like a Dutch pour or anything. A Dutch pour is when you kind of like blow the paint over top of each other and it comes out to be a nice design. I would like to learn the Dutch pour, I just haven't yet. So I think also what I want to do is kind of come around on these sides. I'm sorry if I'm talking a little low. I'm trying to like figure this out as I go. I hope everybody had a good day. We did a Zoom with Warren earlier because we're all over different places. He lives in Alabama, away from us. Let's see. I'm trying to think. I think I'm going to blow a little before I put the gold on. like it. We have slight cells. I wasn't really going for cells, but yeah, I think that the gold will look nice in it. Let's see. I really like it. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit more blue up there. I wanted to see if I could see any more. So this actually reminds me of, no, I'm not gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try to blow it. The way that the cells are coming out right here, but I do think that it is like very, very light in there. So I am gonna put a little more color. Oh, I didn't know if I wanted that much. And I think I'm gonna put a little more color right here where this gold is. And a darker color. I was trying to get some of that light out, the lightness of it up there. Let's see what we can do if we tilt a little. Usually you don't really have to tilt when you're kind of using a blow dryer. But I think the gold gave it just a nice little pop to it. Trying to get this one corner. I really like it. I'm just trying to get these last little corners in. Of course, I'll get ready to do the edges. Like I said, we have a couple little cells that popped in. Okay, I am going to let it sit for a little bit and I'll be back for a close-up. Hello, so here we are for the close-up, starting in the left corner. So we have a nice representation of all the colors that we used, including this gold. Again, we used the blow dryer technique. And I think for not doing this technique that often or that much, I think that it came out pretty good. So I'm not sure that I said the canvas size. I do apologize. This is on a 14 by 18. I'm going to pan out now. And yeah, this is the blow dryer technique with a bunch of different teals and the old gold. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Until we meet again, cheers to painting.